Okay, so we're going to take a look at the Silverline Combination spanner. This I was obviously bought singularly. They do spanners, various ranges, probably some slightly cheaper than others, some slightly more expensive, of the combination spanners. I've seen roll packs, them little plastic rack units with them all stacked up on top of each other on here. This one is a fairly large one. It's a 32mm one, so you probably won't be using this too often, but it's to accompany the Aldi Work Zone set that I used as a quick grab set in the garage. Now I'm working on my motorcycle a lot more in there. I also obviously bought a quick grab pair for the my workshop as well, of those Aldi ones. They go up to, I think it's 22mm, something like that, so there's nothing higher than that. So I'll pick a few of these up every now and again. It's a 32 I've started off, so I'll start from the top and come back down towards 22. Yeah, it's a fairly big one. So if there's any big nuts, like hub nuts and things like that, or any majorly big wheel spindle nuts and things like that, these are the bigger spanners that will come in handy. I think a lot of people use these mainly in workplaces, things like that, this size, like on machinery and things like that. Undoing bolts to take you know, certain cutting tools and things like that off and put them back on. These kind of things, size spanners, is what we used to use for things like that. Okay, it's still wrapped up, so we'll try and cut that up and try and get it out with one hand. See if I can do that. I might have to turn the camera off and then come back. Okay, so welcome back. We've got the packaging off and removed the tie wraps from the back strip, and the actual spanner itself obviously removed from there. We just take a quick look at the spanner itself. Let me zoom in better there. There we go. You see the detail on the engraving. Some people like to judge that, take a look at that, I don't know. Again, it's laser etching on there if you're bothered about that kind of thing, with the Silverline logo. Can feel that. I don't know how that'll those laser etchings age over use and time. I'm not sure about that. The again, the engraving on the other end, the double hex 12-point ring end, or box end in America. I like to use my box end spanner in Alabama. Set at an angle, of course. There. The open end, the rounded jaw back. Look at the finish in there. It's actually quite nice and finished, and quite a little bit of a chamfer on there. There's no sharp edges. It's been finished quite well. So there's a real nice finish on the edges of that. Inside the jaws themselves, look relatively nice. On the back, you've got the chrome vanadium, so it is obviously it's that big, this spanner, that it's going out of frame. It is a big one, this, there's no denying that. It's got a big end. Yep, so again, chrome vanadium, obviously some Spanners seem to be, you know, like a higher grade than others, so you know where that is we don't know, but at least we know that it's a good strong spanner. It's going to be good enough for most of the usual maintenance work that we're going to mainly, I'd say, vehicle work with this. You're going to throw at it. It's going to be rarely that you're going to use a size this big anyway, but at least it's there in the inventory, if you like to say that. So take a look at what it says about the spanner on here. You can zoom in and get a macro on that. Okay, so 32mm spanner. We know that this is actually a board for this individual spanner. They don't just stick this on all of their spanners. They do them from 6mm up to 32, so this is the very biggest one, this particular range. And I don't know if we can see that there. Can we bring it in a little bit more? Can we zoom in a little bit better? Just get that. It's I think it's as good as we'll get it. Guaranteed forever. You have to register online. So if you go online to the Silverline site and register the product, you have to do that with this one then. You're guaranteed forever, so if you ever break the spanner, you can obviously swap it for a new one, or they'll send you a new one, whichever way that works. You have to check that out yourself. Their website is, let's get back out, their website is www.silverlinetools.com. It's a UK company. They've employed the Craig off-bow selector, who's locked in his wardrobe for years. So he's finally now out of his wardrobe and he's got a job doing some DIY with them. They sponsor various racing events and things like that, and supply the tools for the engineers. That's the touring cars, the motocross there, and was that mountain biking. That's something they do. They do a lot of power tools as well, so they're another all-round manufacturer. 3-year guarantee on most of their power tools, but this has got a life. This spanner has a lifetime warranty on there. It says you do need to register, so you have to go online. I don't know if it's in their support here or not. Register your product, just there. Register your product. The power tools, like I said, are for 3 years, but the hand tools, like this one here, carry an unbeatable lifetime guarantee. Click below to register your product. So they've got a lifetime guarantee there on that. All spares and anything like that. Oh, there he is again, the Craig. The Craig Phillips. So there you go. Yeah, so the British company, Silverline, where the hand tools and things like that are actually forged. At this point, I'm not sure, but yeah, it is a British company. You can request, if you're a tool, if you're that much of a toolie, you can request a catalogue from them from there as well if you wish. So that's that with Silverline and the combination spanner, 32mm in this case. So the Silverline combination spanner range, sold separately. They do various kits. I don't know if we probably put one up in here. I don't know. Different type of spanners in there. Bring that up. Spanners. Various types of spanners there, what they do. Don't know if it may be. What have we got? Automotive, mechanical engineering spanners in this section. Adjustable, flexible, ratchet. Here we go. You got the spanners all in there. Their roll packs and spanners in their little plastic carry racks, hanging rack, and obviously they do them separately as well, as we've just seen here. So I don't know if you DIY spanners maybe. So they've got in the DIY section they do in mechanical engineering. Combination spanner set. Combination spanner set 6 piece, 12 piece. So I'll do an 8 to 19 for a starter. And I don't know if they've got any automotive, anything in there for spanners. No, so not really in automotive. So the spanner section is in the mechanical engineering, my line of direction. Obviously you use them in automotive anyway, so but the various spanners that they do, things like that, as opposed to other things. In fact, I do need to pick up a welder, so that's interested me. I'll conclude that review on the Silverline combination spanner, chrome vanadium, lifetime guarantee with registry online. Thanks for watching.